Everyone, welcome to the channel. What we're up to today? Now, this is one of our incubators, and within the next few days, probably about 3 days, we should have some new baby chicks. There's approximately 41 eggs in here, and I would estimate we probably will have about a 70% hatch rate, which is much better than the 50% we've been getting. Now, we had to replace our big incubator. It died and I couldn't get parts for it. The problem is, you see this right here? This is the control unit. The big incubator has the same control unit, and this cannot handle 2 elements and 2 fans. That's why it went down. It just overloaded. Let's walk on around. It won't be long. We start seeing babies in the brooders. I miss that in the mornings because I usually come out here and entertain myself with them. And here's our other incubator, which is fully loaded also. Can you get a view of it there? There we go. There's 41 eggs in this one too. This one won't be due for about 2 weeks. Yeah, we're going to go on out to the coop. And my camera person is being quiet. I wonder who it is. Now we know, don't we?
I just want you to talk.
Let's see here. This looks like this is one of our chicks running free. This is going to be a Brahma, a rooster at that. He's going to be.
Willie will be selling this motorbike here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he gonna buy a new one, Badja, the big one.
Oh, okay.
125.
You're going to buy a big one, huh?
Yeah, the Badja, because it's really hard for Virgil and Pia and Bastion because this is too small.
Yeah.
For 4 persons.
Yeah.
So he gonna sell it for 30,000 pesos.
Well, it's not too bad. There's some of our babies finally out here running free. These are about, I think they're about 3 months old, if I remember right. Be about 2 more months, 3 before the hens will start laying. And we've been pretty good lately with our egg production's finally up. Guys, you gotta pardon me, I walk around like a drunk man. Yeah, it's me, guys. Can you make it around, Mama?
Yeah. Watch your feet, huh? Oh, look at this.
What's going on there, big guy?
Grapefruit. B. Grapefruit.
Yeah.
It fell off there in that grapefruit
Yeah, we'll
tree.
take that home with us.
No, it's not. It's not good. Look at that. It's.
Oh, okay.
Looks like the ants, birds eat this one. Look, and see.
Oh, I see. It's hard as a rock too.
Yeah, it's not good. Even the chicken don't like it. So we have lots of grapefruit there.
Well,
Big one, Daddy, look. At the top.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, big.
Well, you see, we took all the coconut trees out from around it, and now it's producing grapefruits.
Yeah. This one is the native chicken.
Yeah,
See the look on it? It's tiny.
yeah. You can tell the difference. Oh, they turned the others loose finally.
The one in the pullet pen.
Yeah. Let's go over and check them out. Then we'll come back across. Hey guys. What you doing up there by yourself, huh? Say, what you doing up there?
Be careful, huh?
Hmm?
It's lonely.
Yeah.
There are just two of them here.
I guess they want a little snack. If I can get it out without getting attacked. Hey, big guy. Oh, we got eggs sitting there. I don't have no cup to feed them.
No eggs on this side. Let's see. In here.
There's 3, 5, 8 so far.
It's 3 in this one and 5. Oh, more here. 4 more here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we have
9, 10, 11, 13?
12. So let's check to the other nest too inside. So we have 12 eggs here outside. Hi there.
It's good to see that they're not starving, real hungry, because look, I took food out and
Yeah, you can tell that they're not really hungry because they're not even finished the foods here.
I just stowed a couple of handfuls. They'll clean that up, especially the hens. Won't be long. This one be laying.
Yeah. She's about to lay.
I can't wait till we get more layers.
Don't open that pen there. Because
There's nothing in these two, right?
yeah, because Bastion still puts that
Rat poison.
rat poison.
Hey, Mr. Long. Yeah.
Mr. Long. Hi, Mr. Long.
Are you happy being home, Mr. Long? Bruiser's being noisy.
Because he wants to go out.
I want you to look how long that neck and legs are on that thing. My God. Boy, he looks so much different from when he first come here. He looks much more healthy looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Even his feathers are starting to straighten out. He'd be a good looking bird in about another 6 months. Take about 6 months for his feathers to grow and get straightened out. I bet he was in a small cage before.
He's been looking outside.
Yeah. Paying attention. He knows I'm talking about him. Let's go see how our silkies are doing.
Okay.
Hey guys. Everybody doing okay?
Yeah, you can open this door here. Be careful because they will go out.
But she's wanting out.
Yeah. Because they really want to be there in more space.
Yeah.
Hey, let me do it.
And she'd be jumping out on you.
It's okay. Let me do it. I put my feet on the...
Okay.
This door here, it's hard to open. That's our black Selkie there. And we have 2 white ones there. Only have 1 rooster here, right?
Yeah.
So we have, we have 4 Selkie here and 1 rooster.
My God. Now this is a rooster. I want you to look how big that guy is. Look at that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Look at him. My God, look at him.
That's what you call that, boozer?
Yeah. You know, he'll get a little bit bigger than that. Look at that Rhode Island Red beside it and him.
Big. So we have 2 Rhode Island Red here and what you call this other one? Bruiser?
I call him Bruiser, but he's a, what do you call that? Golden Buff.
Yeah. Big, huh? Look at Daddy. They're very fat in here.
Yeah.
The 2 Rhode Island Red hen is very fat.
Mr. Long not getting the attention.
Are you happy now? Because you have a mate here?
He was alone.
Yeah, because he's very aggressive. So this
He
time,
calmed down a lot.
yeah, he calmed down this time because he have 2 chicks. They have 2 women in there.
Look at that. God, he a good looking bird.
Very pretty. Try to. Okay. Oy, be careful.
Told you I'm an old drunk man.
Are you still drunk? Drunk?
I want you to look at these.
You're not drunk, right?
Black astronaut.
So this one is the black astrolorp.
God, he's pretty. Look at him. Those hens are good looking too. Look at that.
Yeah. Looks like she transferred all the eggs outside.
Yep.
So let's see. Be careful here, Daddy.
I say that when they wouldn't get enough food, another reason they were easy to get sick.
They like digging there in the soil,
Yeah.
the ground. So
They look
keep
for
digging.
insects.
Yeah. It's very enjoyable to watch. So we have this jackfruit on the side here. It's getting bigger now.
We got any
It's,
fruit started yet?
yeah, it's been spreading. Huh?
Hmm.
I don't see any.
Tell you what, guys, jackfruit. If you're not familiar with it, it actually is very
Yeah,
good.
in my video today,
Yeah.
I show the jackfruit, the fruit on it, in
Yeah.
the jackfruit tree. So there's no fruit yet. It's not been bearing yet. Maybe soon.
Be nice.
Yeah, when we start building this chicken coop, it's just a little so tiny, right?
Yeah.
Now it's big now, getting bigger and bigger. I've been spreading the leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Bana,
Hey.
why you're so handsome?
uh,
Why you're so guapo? Hey.
Looks like the tree dropped the coconut.
Uh,
Yeah, see it?
yeah, it's just
The seedling,
yeah.
the little bitty guy.
Mm-hmm. See, this is what I told you. So this one over here is we changed another faucet because it's
They like this.
been leaking a lot, the old faucet that we
Man,
put
up
it
on.
here. Oh, they like the kalamunggay tree. The leaf. Kalamunggay leaf. They love the spinach.
You want some too, big guy?
We can cook this one. This is
That
native.
reminds me, the hens we got out here, she
Hello.
needs to transfer them in here.
What?
The hens that's running free, need to put them over here.
I think there's no hen there. Still have hen outside?
Yeah. Listen to Mr. Long. He wants our attention.
Yeah, Mr. Long is so noisy there.
What do you think about that, big guy? Huh? Well, you're getting big there, bad boy. That's Rocky.
Where's bad boy?
Hmm?
Where's bad boy?
He letting you know?
Did you tell them about that rat?
The rat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I did. It's been quite a while back. Anyway, they end up eating, I don't know how many, 6 chicks more?
Yeah. Many chicks that he eat. We've been losing because of that rat.
Well, you know, They planted those banana trees right against their place, and there's no way to keep them out now.
Yeah, because the leaf of that banana tree will be spreading, scattered, diba? It will be many.
Yeah.
So what we gonna do?
And you know, we can do it. We don't own that property.
Yeah, but they're not supposed to be putting beside the fence. That's not nice because they have a lots of space in the other side.
Yeah, they had all kinds of space to plant it out there.
Yeah. So our neighbors put the banana tree against our fence there in our coop. So hopefully the rat won't climb that banana tree and be coming here inside. So there's a lot of banana tree there at the back. There's an advantage on it. There's an advantage.
What's that?
It be cool down here. The chicken loves when it's not so hot
Yeah.
because it will cover the roof.
Yeah.
And the disadvantage is maybe there's more rat coming here.
And once they get tall enough to,
They can trim it, right?
yeah. And just during the growing process, you have the leaves. Yeah.
So some of our chickens is in the roost.
Hey guys.
You gonna sleep now? Hey.
Oh. Rest my back.
Let me see the eggs in here. It's
We've
brown.
come a long way, guys. We do all the illnesses, trying to figure out what's going on. I think we got most of the problems solved now. You think so?
Yeah.
I think from this point on, it'll grow much better. See, we got several hens running around, you can tell by the tail, out on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that one right there. And now that we got 2 incubators, we can probably keep one going all the time. That should make a difference.
Maybe much better the small compared to the big one.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a storm coming. Big dark clouds on that side there. You see that?
What?
Yeah. Dark
Yeah.
clouds.
Maybe I shouldn't test the inverter tonight. Maybe I should switch back over to the grid when we
Yeah,
get
because
back
maybe it run out.
home. Yeah. Might be a good idea.
Oh, look at that, guys. Look.
Hey, big guy. You gonna come over here and try to be my friend again like you used to? Well, I've been gone too long.
Are you tired, all guys? They're in the roost. They are very full. You can tell that their stomach. You can tell on their stomach there.
Mm-hmm. See, before when they're hungry, they wouldn't go to roost this early, especially with us out here.
Yeah. Look how pretty it is, baby. The flowers, look.
Oh
The
yeah.
flowers. We have that right there in the house.
Mhm.
So
Nice.
very pretty.
Yeah.
My grandma's flower.
It's a crossbreed here.
Yeah, this one. It's a crossbreed. Rhode Island Red and native, right?
Yeah.
Native chicken, native roaster. No, that chicken for fight.
Mhm.
Willie's roaster, the
Yeah.
one for fight.
Yeah. Maybe I ought to start raising a fighting rooster too.
Yeah. Oh, look at them. Look at here.
Yeah, they went back to where they used to be.
Yeah. Look at them, guys. They love to stay here. So we turned them loose already, but they just want to go back where they belong. It's good because there are not so many here, but outside you can have more space.
I don't want to load this thing when you have to spread them open to walk.
Hmm?
We do need to keep an average around 100 out here.
How many we got right now?
Nowhere close to that. Probably what, 40?
Mm-hmm.
We don't even have 40 out here in the
Yeah,
open.
because if we not lose many, we can have more, right? We have more.
If we hadn't lost so many, we'd be at where I wanted to be. Have 100 out here running free. To have the breeding pens, and we'd be able to be selling eggs
Yeah.
and butcher the roosters and selling meat. That's been the goal. If I can get this rotation on these incubators, that can happen. Actually, might even have a chance to break even.
So hopefully we have luck this time.
It's looking better. Building those 2 extra breeding pens makes a difference.
Yeah, that
Maybe
breeding.
next year we build 2 more or 3.
Yeah. Small at a time because it goes. It's very expensive
Yeah,
to build that.
I'll probably just build 2 more.
We,
Maybe
we need to repaint the
the roof.
yeah. This one also
Yeah, they need to.
the
They should have used oil to do that with.
the metal roof because there's a lot of rust there outside. Hey. They love this hen here. Bad Boy and Rocky. They love this hen here. This one. That hen.
I can't get over how big Bruiser is. Wow, he's a big bird.
Big bird.
Look at that. He's so proud. Look at that. Watch him put that chest out there.
I think he knows that we're talking to him.
There he knows.
So, that's your favorite, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it's Jack or not. I can't see the other eye. I believe it's Jack.
So it's almost 6 p.m. here, so that's why they're in the rows already.
Yep. Now as you can see, before they wouldn't do that when we were out here, but they're hungry.
Yeah, my friend Bastion not feed enough foods for them.
Well, she didn't know. She used the native chickens running free out here where plenty of green stuff. There ain't nothing green growing here because they got it all,
So,
keep it cleaned up.
my friend Bashon is the one who helped us here. We also helped her for her daughter in school, right, baby? It's double purpose, right?
Yeah.
We're helping here so that she can send her daughter to the school.
Yeah, you know, that way she keeps her uniform, shoes, books, and school supplies and things that are necessary. Public school here, guys, is really expensive for them.
Because sometimes we have important things that we need to.
Yeah, projects.
Yeah, projects. That's why I cannot always all the time here in the coop. So that's why we want someone to take care of the chicken, right?
Yeah.
Because also when we vaccine the chicken, I really need help. I can't do it with myself because some of our rooster are very aggressive, and it's really hard if you do it alone.
Yeah,
Especially if you have no experience.
Yeah. You've done pretty good at it, though. I have to agree, you know.
Yeah, it takes times to learn. But I learn a lot.
Yep, you have.
I've been searching and looking some videos there in YouTube how to vaccinate the chickens and
What's
inject.
going on, big guy? You want to join the crowd?
Virgil, please, Lola, Virgil. Tell Virgil to please my grandma. Being respect. Virgil buys. And my grandma told to Virgil, I give you one chicken for your birthday. Then Virgil said, what? I not know that. I not even see the chickens. Then grandma said, ask your nanay, but we already eat it. It's already in our stomach. My mama cooked yesterday the native chicken that my grandma supposed to be giving to Virgil on his birthday. But we ate it all yesterday. Virgil not even know that my grandma gave some chicken to him on his birthday. So, Paluday, my grandma's house is there at the back. It's really funny. My grandma is asking with Virgil, where's your chicken? Said, what? I don't know if I have chicken there. I give you some chicken. I don't see it. We already ate it yesterday. Wala mong signal diri day.
Ano mo daw ka dyan doon ba? Dito daw ni.
No. Pila man ni 50. Regular load ra ni.
Pa-register daw niya.
Unsa man ni pa-register?
Doon ano gani ko
Unsa man ni nga ko alam ko ana ni. Asa na siya?
bakaw na.
Load da di ani. Unsa na siya? Call and text?
We can,
Tawag ang Facebook.
At pang Facebook dito. Someone wants load.
Well, guys, we appreciate everybody watching. It was just about time to wrap up the video anyway, so.
Yeah, because it's almost dark in here.
Yeah. And we'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate each and every one of you.
Yeah, we really do appreciate.
And you know what to do. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. All those good things. Anything to help my videos out. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, guys, and see you on our next video. Bye for now. God bless us all.